Welcome! In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to mark a group post as interested on your page using the Facebook app on your PC, especially with the new update. If you manage a Facebook page and want to keep track of group posts for future reference or engagement, this is an easy feature you don't want to miss. Let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. You can do this by heading to the Facebook website and logging in, just like you normally would. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Facebook page. On the left side menu, click Pages, then select your page from the list. Now you're on your page's dashboard. Here's the next step. Find the group post that you want to mark as interested. Click on the Groups tab linked to your page. In this section, you'll see all the groups your page is part of. Browse through the group feed or scroll until you spot the post that catches your attention. When you find the post, look for the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the post. These 3 dots are your gateway to more options. Don't miss them. Click on the 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the list of actions, you'll see an option that says Interested. Go ahead and click on Interested. That's it. The post is now marked as interested, and you can find it later or get notified about updates to the post. This is a great way to organize content you might want to revisit, collaborate on, or share with your community in the future. With this new update, Facebook makes it easier than ever to keep track of important posts directly from your page, helping you stay organized and engaged with your groups. Thanks for watching. Try out this feature and let me know if you have any questions or want more tutorials on Facebook's newest updates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides.